All right, WMC, here is the video to find the winner of our Nathan's hot dog eating contest. We did the over-under on how many the winner would eat, and the overs are the winners. So here are our overs. So all of you are eligible to win. We're just going to check the time here, July 12th at 1:50 p.m. We're going to go over to the contest and type live. And we have July 12th at 1:50 p.m. There's the list of all of our winners that picked over. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There, it's not going to work. All right, 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Doug Burdan, you are the winner of the freebie. So, Doug, get with me to collect your prize. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 12th, 1:51 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.